Hi guys, I want to share a little bit with you for social studies. Your social studies assignment this week involves reading this book, America's National Landmarks, and then taking the quiz that goes along with it, which is over here. But I want to go through some because the book is kind of long. I'm not going to read the entire book to you, but what I want to do is I want to talk to you for a second about the quiz and things that you need to make sure you're reading and looking for in the book. Okay, so if you look at the questions first, you're going to find the easiest way. Here you're going to need to look about information about Glacier Bay. Over here is about sequoias. Number 3 is about the nickname for manatees. I'm going to go through the book in a second and kind of preview it with you. Okay, then you're going to need to look over here about a large hole that's found in the earth. And there are a couple different kinds of them. You're going to want to find about the state park, which one's the oldest one, okay? And then specifically this volcano, Kilauea volcano, and I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it or not. But I'm going to go back over here and show you the book and just kind of browse it with you, okay? It's America's Natural Landmarks. So as you go through it here, you'll see there's a table of contents and it's broken into different areas of the country where the landmarks are. So you're going to want to pay particular attention to some of these pages that I'm going to give you so that you can find your answers to your quiz. Obviously, I would prefer you read the whole book. It's pretty interesting, but make sure that you're looking here. We're talking about natural landmarks. You're going to want to look for sure at pages 6 and 8. Okay, it talks about the volcanoes and the glaciers. You're going to want to then make sure that you read page 10, okay, about the sequoias. These are some pretty awesome looking trees. And you can see here compared to the people and the size of the tree. They're huge. You're also going to want to make sure that you read carefully. I mean, look at these other pages. They're great. It talks about the Grand Canyon and the skywalk that's there now. But you're going to want to also pay attention to page 14 and to pages 22 and 24, okay? And that's where you should get your answers. Okay, but here we're talking about landmarks in different parts of the country. We're talking about everything from caves, volcanoes, the canyons, and craters. So make sure that you go through this carefully. I just tried to help you out a little bit because there's a lot of stuff to read. Okay, here's one of the questions you're going to want to look at for the manatees. And then how can you make sure that our landmarks stay safe, that people can go and visit them? So that was just a real quick overview of what I wanted to talk to you about so that you would be successful with your test. Make sure you read the book. If you have any questions, you can go to the glossary. Here's the index. It'll talk about things like the Sequoia National Forest and Glacier Bay. These are some things that you're going to want to look up. A meteor crater, okay? Just make sure that you're looking carefully and you're going back and finding your answers before you submit your tests so that I don't have to return it to you to take it over again. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.